It's Curbside Laundries. This is what we use. It's good stuff here.
Welcome to State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt, episode 31, the Clean Show Wrap-Up. Welcome to the podcast. First off, I want to thank our nearly 1,800 subscribers. Last month, we had nearly 6,000 total views, and that doesn't even include the people who are listening on their favorite podcast player, and nearly 35,000 minutes watched. So those are just crazy numbers. This episode's going to be focused on the Clean Show. And one of the things, right before the Clean Show, we ran some analysis on our Curbside Laundries wash and fold software. And it turns out we've had more than 2 million wash and fold orders placed through Curbside Laundry software. And over 90 million pounds of laundry has been processed through the software as well. And over 300,000 unique customers have been served. Those are just astronomical numbers, especially when you consider just 5 years ago, we were first presenting our software out of a 10 by 10 booth using computers. We didn't even have a point of sale at that time. And we've been just hitting it like gangbusters. And a big part is because of you. So my brother and I, we were doing pickup and delivery from our laundromat. We knew this was getting big. I mean, we never saw numbers like this before, where it's like a hockey slope in terms of this is just a new trend. I fought tooth and nail at the Clean Show in 2017 to have them have a whole seminar just on pickup and delivery for laundromats. And they wouldn't do it because they thought this was a flash in the pan. This isn't going to happen. We always see new technologies one year from the next. But we knew based upon the numbers and what we were experiencing at Supersets that this is not a fad. Culture is changing and people are trying to reclaim their time. For example, how many people do you know mow their own lawn versus hiring a gardener? I bet you when gardening first became something that you could outsource, probably all the neighbors looking down the street say, hey, is that guy hotshot? He's having somebody else mow his lawn. And now you're hard pressed to find somebody who does it themselves. And wash and fold is moving in the same direction. More and more and more and more people are outsourcing laundry because people value their own time. And some people are questioning, well, what about the economy? No matter how bad the economy gets, there's going to be a lot of people who are never going to fold their own clothes again. So that's good news for us. The second thing is, in a constricting economy where things are tightening up, everything tightens up. Even the amount of money that a self-serve customer spends goes down because they may make their jeans last a little bit longer, or they may not wash their comforter as often as they used to. If they don't have the money, they don't have the money. So the question is not, hey, maybe I shouldn't get into pickup and delivery because things are constricting a little bit. The question is, could you afford not to get into pickup and delivery? Because if you have a single source of revenue and that's getting squeezed, wouldn't you be better off with multiple sources of revenue such as self-serve, wash and fold, and pickup and delivery? And that begs the question, you got to do it right, because there's a lot of companies out there who don't do it themselves like we do at Curbside, and they might be pitching stuff like rideshare programs. And I tell you, it's music to the ears of people who are laundry owners and say, oh, I'd love to do pickup and delivery, but I don't really want to do the work, or I don't want to pick up the clothes myself. If I could outsource the driving and just have somebody else do it through maybe, let's say, Uber or DoorDash or some other ride-sharing company, that sounds pretty compelling, because now I could say I'd do it. But here's the issue. At the Clean Show, somebody came up to me and said he had 6 orders in 2 months get stolen from a rideshare program. Now, how much is that costing you? In terms of your reputation, in terms of compensation. I mean, each one of these customers spends hundreds or thousands of dollars per year in wash and fold and pickup and delivery. And if you're burning bridges and destroying your reputation because you're outsourcing, your driver is the face of your company. So if you're outsourcing the face of your company to some stranger with no accountability, good luck. That's not running a business. That's rolling the dice and hoping your reputation stays intact. Come full circle, now I understand 5 years ago when Brian Wallace told me he doesn't know if pickup and delivery is going to be a thing because he sees these fads pop up, over time. So I ask you, if you're thinking about outsourcing your pickup and delivery to a rideshare program, first find somebody who's actually doing it and not getting paid by a company to do it. What I mean is just a regular Joe laundry owner who's not getting paid to be a salesperson, because there are those out there. So the key to pickup and delivery and making it work, you need to have a route density. When you're using a rideshare program, your route density is 1, meaning you're just picking up one order or just delivering one order. That makes it very difficult to make money. So I could see how some companies are pushing stuff, and then all these people are like, oh, that sounds great, but then they actually do it and they're not making money, or clothes are getting stolen left and right, and then they realize it doesn't happen. It took me 5 years to figure out, but now I understand. Some things work and some things don't work. And one of the differences at Curbside is we're actually doing it. So our stuff is proven. It's not some MBA PowerPoint saying, hey, this is a good idea, give me some investment capital dollars. No, everything is developed at Curbside based on real world use. And I want to give a shout out to Two Boys Laundry. The reason why they chose Curbside Laundries over all the different competition is one of the owners said, I always go with passion. And at Curbside, we're passionate about pickup and delivery. We're doing it. We know if we develop a certain feature set, we're going to make more money at our laundromat, and all of our clients are going to make more money at their laundromats too. One of the highlights at the Clean Show for us, really a coming of age moment. We had a Curbside client reception dinner with over 100 of our clients there, food, drinks, and education, and networking too. We went over how to increase your web ranking. We went over strategies on online advertising. We went over a new feature development roadmap, and we got a round of applause on different features. So that was pretty cool. It shows we're on the mark. And it's just great seeing everybody in person. It's just a proud moment for us here at Curbside is in 2017, we had a tremendous success at our laundromat, Super Suds. We're making over $100,000 a month, every month in wash and fold. 70% is from pickup and delivery. And so we were able to tout our success in 2017. But a big difference between 2017 and now is instead of touting our own success at Super Suds, we have success story after success story of our clients. We have hundreds of clients making tens of thousands of dollars per month, and many making over $100,000 a month too. So that's just incredible. And it's great getting everybody together, and the conversations at the tables was just incredible. One of the most popular seminars at the Clean Show 2022 was the seminar on pickup and delivery. And man, as people left that seminar, over 500 people were in there. And as they left, people were just pumped up on pickup and delivery. And after the Clean Show, I noticed something, which was I saw so many Facebook ads about offering pickup and delivery on my own Facebook feed. Some people may wonder, wait, is it too late to get into pickup and delivery? But I say, no way. See, the more competition, the better, because it creates awareness for this as a product. In 2010, as we're doing pickup and delivery, we were doing the heavy lifting at Super Suds. We had to let people know that pickup and delivery is a thing. And now as people peruse Facebook, people are seeing ad after ad after ad about laundry pickup and delivery. So the market is growing faster than ever before. People are realizing this is a thing. People value their time. Our business at Super Suds just gone up and up and up. The pie is growing faster than the rate of new people getting into the business. One of the keys to growing your wash and fold business is you don't want to really advertise to everybody. You want the people who are looking for wash and fold to find you. So the more people who are looking for wash and fold, the better off we all are. And something we're laser focused on at Curbside Laundries is helping people improve their web ranking so people could find you online. So we had some really cool reveals at the Clean Show. We'll be doing some videos specifically on these a little bit later. But first off, we have a brand new user interface for in-store ordering. It makes it even easier for your attendants to place wash and fold orders, provides information where you need it, when you need it. I have to give a shout out to one of our clients, Joe Dan over at Splash 'Em Out. The guy's a genius operator. He gave us one of the biggest compliments you could give. He said, my favorite part about Curbside Laundries is my employees don't call me anymore on how to use the point of sale. And he used 2 different solutions in the past. It's just taking care of itself, which is important because he's got 9 locations. And we're making things even better with our new user interface, so keep a lookout. In my opinion, Joe Dan made the best virtual Clean Show video out there. There's a link to the video in the show notes, or you could just do a YouTube search for Splash 'Em Out. Anyways, here's a 30-second snippet from his Clean Show video.
Okay, people, if you like ozone, Hardy Clean's the place to be, I guess. And this is Mark. He's out of Lexington, Kentucky, actually. This is where you get your boards fixed. Mountain Electronics, great people, good products. And this is Adelia?
Adalea.
Adalea.
Yeah, from Whitney.
Okay, I'm so bad with names. It's Curbside Laundries. This is what we use. Good stuff here.
I just want to thank all of our clients for helping us get to where we're at today. We couldn't do it without you. We're making the software of our dreams. Both my brother and I are making the exact same salary as we have been for the past 2 years. We have not given ourselves raises. What we have done, though, is we've doubled our development team, and we're going to be adding even more developers, too. We're just going to keep putting the pedal to the metal and rolling out some great new features. So see you next time. We'll get back to laundry. Just want to give you an update with what happened at the Clean Show. To learn more about the Curbside Laundries wash and fold and pickup and delivery solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and see you next time.